You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
No, are you for real?
Nollywood actress Biodun Okeowo, famously known as Omoboti, got Nigerians gushing after she shocked her colleague Olutayo Amokade, popularly known as Ijebu, with a huge gift. On his official Instagram page, Ijebu posted a video asking his fans and followers to help him appreciate the actress for her gift to him. In the video, Omoboti was spotted covering Ijebu's eyes with her hands as they approached the white Range Rover SUV. The actor was heard telling the actress why his eyes were covered, but she told him to be patient. Omoboti released her palms from Ijebu's face as soon as they reached the vehicle and handed him the keys to the car. It's for him, according to her. The actor, who could not believe that the gift was for him, asked if it was genuine, and the actress answered in the affirmative.
Just calm down.
Butty? Yes. No, are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real.
Butty? Thank you. Are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real.
No. I can't just believe myself.
It's okay. Take it.
Butty?
Yes.
No, are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real.
Butty? Thank you. Are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real.
No. I can't just believe myself.
It's okay.
Eyogbebo, the CEO of Sayavet Interiors and Hotel, went to Instagram to gush over MC Oluomo and lover. According to Eyi, who is undoubtedly one of the richest and most prosperous entrepreneurs and businesswomen in Nigeria, MC Oluomo is a king and is the best one. Sharing photos of MC Oluomo, Eyi wrote. Check out some comments on this post.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.